Calc, problem 4, section 4-5. Evaluate the indefinite integral 2 sine to the power 6 cosine x dx. This calls for substitution. By now you probably recognize this. Sine x could be u because cosine x will be then du. Okay, so let's try. Let u be sine x. Then du dx is cosine x. So du is cosine x times dx. Alright, so that is du, and this will give me u to the power 6. Okay, so 2 sine to the power 6 cosine x dx is integral 2u to the power 6 du. Its integration, increase the power, divide by the new power. So 2u to the power 7 over 7 plus constant. Don't leave the answer there. Replace u back. Sine 7x over 7. So twice sine 7x over 7. Notice this 7 actually means power of sine. Okay. So how do I input this? This is a fraction. Denominator is straightforward. Numerator is 2 sine x power 7. Okay, don't forget it is 7th power of sine x. That's what this means. Don't forget plus c. Always make sure it is there. All right. Next problem. Integral 8 secant cube x tan x dx. All right. Now this is a tricky question. Let me show you why. Here is a false start. Okay. Suppose I take u equals tan x. Then du dx is secant squared. That looks promising, right? You are taken care of tan. You also found secant squared. But notice this is secant cubed. In other words, there is an extra secant x. And so this doesn't resolve into a doable problem. Instead, try the following. Use u equals secant x. Then du dx is derivative of secant is secant times tan x. So du is secant x tan x dx. All right. So one of the secant x can be pulled out to become secant x tan x. Secant x tan x dx is du. What is secant squared? Well, u is secant, so that is u squared. Its antiderivative or integral is 8u to the power 3 over 3 plus c. Don't forget to replace back u. U was secant, so this is 8 secant cubed x over 3 plus 6. So that is a fraction plus c. Okay, that's what they're asking us to do. All right, what does the fraction look like? Denominator is 3, that's good. Numerator is 8 secant x power 3. All right, so next video I'll start with problem 6. Until then.